you ever followed a financial tip that sounded amazing, only to realize later that it actually pushed you further away from financial freedom? What if I told you that some of the most repeated advice out there, the ones everyone swears by, are actually sabotaging you? In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 worst financial tips you're probably still following that might be draining your money without you even noticing. If you feel like you're always chasing money but never truly accumulating wealth, you need to watch until the end, because the truth is, working harder doesn't guarantee you'll get rich, saving every penny isn't the solution, and following traditional rules might be your biggest mistake. But don't worry, I'm not just going to show you the problems. I'm going to give you real solutions to change this starting today. So, if you want to stop sabotaging yourself financially and finally build wealth the smart way, stay with me until the end, because what I'm about to reveal could transform your financial life. Many people believe that working more means earning more money. After all, since we were kids, we've heard phrases like hard work pays off or the more effort, the greater the reward. But the truth is, working longer hours won't make you richer. On the contrary, it can trap you in an endless cycle of exhaustion and frustration. The problem here is that your time is limited. If your only strategy to make money is selling your hours, you will always have an income ceiling. Think about it. A person who works 12 hours a day as an employee can even double their working hours, but they will still have a limit on how much they can earn. Meanwhile, entrepreneurs, investors, and creators of financial assets can make money even when they're not working. A classic example is people who spend their entire lives chasing promotions at work, while others focus on creating passive income sources, like investments, online businesses, or rental properties that generate money. Who do you think will be in a better financial position in 10 years? So instead of working yourself to the bone, invest in increasing your market value, develop skills that allow you to earn more per hour, and build income sources that don't rely solely on your daily effort. Now, the second piece of advice that's stopping you from growing financially is that old talk of saving every penny you can. Have you ever heard that giving up coffee at a cafe, cutting all outings with friends, and living in extreme frugality will make you rich? Well, this mindset can be one of the biggest financial traps out there. Of course, saving money is important, but no one becomes a millionaire just by saving. The big problem with this advice is that it creates a scarcity mindset. You start focusing only on cutting expenses instead of looking for ways to increase your income. What's the point of saving $50 a month if you could be learning a skill that would earn you an extra $500? Moreover, keeping money idle in the bank doesn't make it grow. Inflation eats away at your purchasing power, and you remain stuck at the same financial level. The key is not to save money just for the sake of it, but to invest strategically. If you cut out coffee and save $5 a day, at the end of the year, you'll have $1,800. But if instead of just saving, you invest that $5 a day with a 12% annual return in 10 years, you'll have over $37,000. See the difference? So, instead of just saving, learn to invest and make your money work for you. Now we come to the worst of all, blindly following traditional financial advice without questioning it. This is a mistake that keeps millions of people stuck in bad financial situations because they believe that what was true in the past still makes sense today. Want an example? The advice that buying a house is the best investment. Many people go into debt for 30 years to pay for a property, believing they're making the best decision for their future. But is that really the case? In many situations, renting and investing the money that would have gone toward a down payment can be a much smarter financial move. Another outdated piece of advice is that getting a college degree is the only way to secure a good salary. That may have been true a few decades ago, but today there are many ways to build a successful career without going into debt for a traditional degree. Many of today's millionaires didn't follow the conventional academic path. Instead, they sought knowledge in different ways and applied what they learned practically. The problem with following these pieces of advice without questioning them is that the world has changed, and so have the rules of the game. If you keep making financial decisions based on outdated ideas, You'll end up trapped in unnecessary debt and limited opportunities. The secret to getting rich is understanding that strategies need to be adapted to today's reality, and that you should always seek updated knowledge about investments, entrepreneurship, and new ways to generate wealth. Now that you know this, what will you do to change your financial life? Will you keep following these pieces of advice, or will you start questioning everything and creating your own strategy to build wealth? Comment below which of these mistakes you've made before, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. And of course, if you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any tips that could change your financial life. See you in the next video.